The art of leather manufacturing, leather bags and wallets. When you have been in business for 17 years, what would you call us? Some say we are reliable. Others say we have experienced a lot. Some of our clients believe we are the best. We simply call ourselves samik.
Samik Exports was established in 1994 in Calcutta. At Samik, we follow the lean production system where we have imported the machines from Italy, Germany and Japan in order to increase the production efficiency and maintaining the high quality standards.
We are samik. We meet client need and exceed client expectations every time. In the business for 17 years has taught us something. Importance of making our clients feel special. We do whatever it takes to deliver what you want according to your standards and beyond. Welcome to Samik Exports India Private Limited. 1994 established the company with an objective of producing highest quality leather fashion bags and wallets from India. The company strives upon the heritage of India craftsmanship and luxury of the leather products. The company business domain represents core manufacturing cum export model.
Production has been always my passion, and I have been involved in different kind of process-oriented manufacturing system. I believe in today's world, if you want to compete into the leather industry, we have to have a base of a well-processed manufacturing system.
5 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located strategically. Updated technology and machinery. Technical and motivated team. In-house design and research facilities. Financial stability, liquidity and long-term viability. Process-oriented manufacturing system. Our rate of service is always higher. Exports to some of top retail brands in the world. A relationship with customers spanning decades. Customers include Debenhams, Dolly Gabbana, Paula, Guy Loche, Cotville, Woolworths, Spread, Next, Jigsaw, Descamps, JC Couture, TK Maxx, Rinaldo Balestia, Mario Valentino, Basilo Rocco, Arika Kaveri, Oxygen, Cave, Oasis, Vallis, S. Oliver. Product range: leather fashion bags, leather wallets, leather belts. Daily morning, workers and staff enter the factory at 9 o'clock. Maintain discipline. Workers stand in a line and enter the gate one by one and do the punching on the machine. Security guard stationed at the gate do proper checkup before the entry of all the workers. All the attendance record is maintained by the ERP system. In the evening, the same system is followed.
Normally we find that in our leather industry, the factories believe into the traditional manufacturing system, which is more or less they don't have the specializations, their efficiency rate are less, the quality management is not so good. So here we intend to introduce the process oriented system where the quality rate is good and the efficiency also is good.
We have very strong in-house design and development team. Most of the design or in-house development are appreciated by the valuable customer. Highly technical design team headed by designer and pattern master. At present, all the patterns are cut manually. We are in process of installing CAD system for all the pattern and die development. The factory has strong research and development team. The objective to make the product production friendly, which resulted in higher efficiency and quality. We also have a strong marketing team to cater business and satisfy customer needs. Incoming raw materials that are leather, fabric, hardware, reinforcements, dilip, accessories are kept on the incoming materials locations. The store auditor receives all the incoming materials, do proper documentations. If any discrepancies in the document, the incoming material is kept in separate locations. If there is no discrepancies on the documentation, the auditor passed the material and the material is kept at location as per the demarcation. All the verified incoming leather, hardware, fabric, and accessories are kept in leather storage rack with proper bin card system. The store maintains FIFO system. The store attendants take out all the raw materials as per the requisition given to them. The store inventory is fully computerized. A well-trained and qualified store executive maintains the store. The store has incoming raw materials status board which highlights the status of incoming raw materials. It is very good tools to track the incoming raw materials. The incoming materials need to be in-house before 15 days prior to production date. Material status has been highlighted by color codes such as red circle mean for critical, yellow circle mean for situation under control, green circle mean for material in-house. Incoming leather are measured by leather measuring machine in order to verify the quantity supplied by the supplier. It helps the factory to get exact measurement of the leather and put a checks on the short quantity. The operator is trained in well manner in order to handle the machines. It is always good to have leather measuring machines in factory. The hardware are inspected by the quality checker. The quality checker has the quality criteria to do the checking of the hardware. All the passed hardware are kept separated. The passed hardware are wrapped in white tissue paper and marked in black label. All the rejected hardware are kept in red tray box and it's wrapped in white tissue paper marked in red label. The quality inspector has a generic guide to check the hardware. Well-maintained documentation system are in place. Incoming leather are inspected by quality checker. The quality checker do the selection of the leather as per the specified standard given to them. The quality checker has leather selection guide to do the inspection. The leather color matching is done as per the specified light such as TL84 and D56. The factory has in-house leather testing facilities do the dry and wet crocking test. We have strong base for leather sourcing around the globe. The factory has a strong leather-based cutting system. 100% cutting of bags and wallets is being done by the clicking machine. The clicking machine is periodically examined and maintained by the technicians. The factory has unique cutting system. Whenever any style is loaded into the cutting machine, the cutting is done with 3 set of operators. Operator A cut the main part of the product which is cut from the non-defect zone. Operator B cut the inside part of the product where minor defects are allowed. Operator C cuts the smaller parts. Each machine has sufficient light on the machine for cutting. The fiber on the clicking machine is regularly checked and proper maintenance is done. The operators are given technical training to operate the machines. Eye checkup is done for their color blindness. All the clicking dies are marked by 3 colors, that is green, blue and red, to give clarity to the operator for cutting. The factory has a strong QC system in order to measure accurate cuttings. After leather cutting, all the leather cut components are stored in bin with a bin card system. The factory has in-house splitting and skiving section. A well-trained operator does the splitting and skiving of the components. The research and development team give technical specification and pattern marked with different color code system for the operators to do the splitting and skiving. All the machines are thorough examined and weekly maintenance is done by the technicians. After the splitting and skiving process is done, all the components are segregated as per the component cell distribution. The factory production system are totally component-based manufacturing system. The factory has 7 cells. 1 pasting cell, 2nd handle cell, 3rd lining cell, 4th special operation cell, 5th offline cell, 6th assembly cell, 7th finishing and packing cell. Technician specifications are displayed on the quality board. The quality checker inspects the components as per the criteria given to them. The factory has a good visual quality check system. The quality checker is being trained by the senior quality manager for doing the checking process. The fabric are being 100% inspected before the cutting is done. Fabric layering are done on the table. Each layer is cut by the operator with a cutting machine. After the layer is completed, marking is done on the fabric with pattern for doing the cutting. Final fabric cutting is done with glue cutter machine. The operator wears safety gloves while doing the cutting. The cut fabric components are stored on the storage rack with a proper marking. We would like to draw your attention towards our component manufacturing cells. Handle making cells. A well-maintained work table with process-defined system. Each table has physical sample and process defined for making particular components. Each cell has display board stating production weekly schedule and the production output and efficiency is displayed in the board. Edge color cell. The entire cut edge product such as bag and wallets has edge coloring process, which added design beauty to the products. First, the components buffing is done by the buffing machine. Trained operators are in place to do the buffing process. Operator wears masks to protect from dust particles. Buffing machine has a strong vacuum to suck all the dust particles. The edge color are applied on the component and final products with the help of hand. Both manual coloring machine and automatic coloring machine are in place. A regular training is being given to the coloring operator in order to enhance their skill levels. After the edge coloring is done, all the components as well as the final products are dried by the heat chamber machine. The temperature and speed of the machine is set as per the specification required by the products. Special operation. Computerized machine. The factory believes on automation-based manufacturing system where we use various kind of pattern sewing machine to do the stitching of the components faster with great amount of accuracy and efficiency. All the jigs and design are being developed in-house. A strong technical team are always in process to supply the products. Each operator is being trained to handle the machine properly and do their programming independently. Offline operations. A dedicated team is in place to do all kind of design-oriented products such as flowers, charm and weavings. It requires a lot of hand skill to such kind of smaller products which are always in fashion with the fashion bags. After the components are made in their respective cells, the entire components are being 100% inspected before they are loaded to the assembly cell. The assembly cell has table and sewing machine operations. The factory works on the lean manufacturing system. Most of the table operations are done with direct stitching and minimize the uses of adhesive, which adds the beauty of the products by reducing the cleaning works. The factory has a very high skill level of sewing machine operator who does beautiful stitching. The stitching is an important ornament to the products. Hence, we believe in doing an outstanding stitching quality which are of world standards. We use special kind of stitching attachment to do direct stitching without pasting any glue in between two components. We have a dedicated and highly motivated wallet department where we produce one of the best wallets manufacturing. Lot of automation has been done for doing the wallet manufacturing in order to increase productivity, efficiency and quality. A very high and skilled sewing machine operator are involved in doing the stitching parts of the wallets. All the threads are nicely burnt with the help of thread burning tools. The operators are trained to do the kind of special operations. After the assembly of the bags and wallets, all the products comes the finishing and packing cells. First